Ever wondered where the magic happens? Where those trendy products you see on your favorite online stores come from? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping and uncovering the location of one of its most popular suppliers, Spocket. Dropshipping has revolutionized the e-commerce industry, allowing entrepreneurs to start online stores without the hassle of inventory management. By partnering with suppliers like Spocket, you can source products from around the world and ship them directly to your customers. But where exactly is Spocket located? Let's unravel this mystery. Unveiling Spocket's location. While Spocket operates globally, connecting suppliers and sellers worldwide, its headquarters are nestled in the heart of Ireland. This strategic location in Europe allows Spocket to efficiently manage its operations and provide seamless service to its vast network of users. Why Ireland? Ireland has emerged as a tech hub, attracting numerous international companies. Its favorable business environment, skilled workforce, and strong infrastructure make it an ideal location for tech startups and established businesses alike. Spocket's presence in Ireland offers several advantages. Strategic location. Ireland's central location in Europe facilitates efficient logistics and shipping operations. Skilled workforce. The country boasts a highly educated and talented workforce, ensuring that Spocket has access to top-notch professionals. Supportive business environment. Ireland's government provides a conducive environment for businesses, with favorable tax policies and streamlined regulations. Beyond the headquarters. While Ireland is the home base for Spocket, the company's impact extends far beyond its borders. Spocket works with suppliers from various countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and many others. This global network enables you to offer a diverse range of products to your customers. So, the next time you're sourcing products from Spocket, remember that you're connecting with a company that's headquartered in the vibrant tech hub of Ireland. With its strategic location and commitment to quality, Spocket continues to empower entrepreneurs and shape the future of e-commerce. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.